Plan into motion. You jobs take care of the... Probably a good idea. Oh, if we could only see their faces. Hardlocky will wave his hand. Let's get to work, you jobs. So, that's the penthouse up there. The view must be astonishing. Snaps. Alright, this lobby has guards, cams and metal detectors. You need to get by all that and find the elevators. Let's go. Now you must disable 3 security boxes in the proper order. Go for the one with the green light.
Stay invisible. They're all over the place. I've got a guard. Distance.
Okay, good. Head for the garage and call the elevator. We need the shaft free and clear so you can get up there. Now make sure the elevator doesn't move. Find the fuse box and rewire it. Use the crowbar to force open the elevator. Then zip line to the top.
Got one over here. They haven't seen us.
It's cha-ching time. Keep going up. Remember, no civilians.
Get to the window and use the light to signal our contact. He will take control of the window cleaning platform.
Got one over here.
No civilian casualties now.
Keep your distance. God. God over here.
No civilians. Keep in mind, no civilians.
Listen, I think I'm gonna go. This ain't for me after all. You don't cancel an appointment with these guys. You're saying I have to go in there?
Once it's there, cut through the window to get to the platform.
You have to.
Then use it to get to the penthouse balcony.
Do you remember Jason Doyle? The guy from law school? Didn't he die in a car accident? Sure. Accident. Oh, you're not saying that these guys...
No.
But Jason canceled the first meet with some fine tattooed Russian gentleman.
They're all over the place.
Tip-top, you're in. Time to find that server room. The info's a bit shaky, but it should be hidden behind a secret entrance. Wong is a paranoid bastard, so expect some decoys.
Guard over here.
The guards will get suspicious if they see a moved bookshelf. So that's where they're hiding the gold, huh? Good work. See if you find another one.
Guard. They haven't seen us. They're all over the place. Keep your distance.
Keep looking. The server room must be here somewhere. You found the room. Now you just have to get into it. The code for the keypad is stashed away somewhere around here. You can go for the drill, but that risks alerting security. It's up to you.
Got one over here. Guard, don't get close. Keep your distance.
I hear you. Nothing's happening. Quiet night in Jonestown.
Okay, but what's going on with your voice? It sounds...
Get into that server room, find the code, or drill it and risk detection. Your choice.
Come on.
They haven't seen us.
One loot bag home.
drill could work, but it's risky. That hard drive is encrypted, but it can be bypassed if you find the encryption protocol. It should be on Wong's laptop. Otherwise, we'll have to spend months decrypting it.
God, don't get close. God, over here. God, over here.
Well done. Put the drive in the
No
dumbwaiter.
civilian casualties
One of
now.
Shilo's guys will pick it up later.
Got one, over here.
Wong is held up in the meeting room with a bunch of lackeys. Let's get him out of there and cause a bit of confusion in the process. Pull the fire alarm. That should get things going.
God. Keep your distance.
Get down!
Come on, friends. Save those bullets for the ghetto.
God, over here.
It's time to finish this. Pull the fire alarm.
God, don't get close. They haven't seen us.
That's all of them.
Got one, over here. God. I've got a guard.
Damn it. Let's pass bastard went up to the roof.
Stay
Follow him
invisible.
and take him up.
They're all over the place. Guard, don't get close. They haven't seen us. Stay invisible. I've got a guard. Stay invisible. They're all over the place. Got one over here. Guard. They're all over the place. Got one over here. Stay invisible. Got one over here. Guard. I've got a guard.
To make sure things run smoothly around here. So what is going on?
Nicely done. Go to the window cleaning platform for extraction if you are ready to get out of there. This is our payday.
Guys, maybe a minute till they figure
Okay, the rowdy way it is.
Let's kickstart plan B. Well, maybe not.